Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simply Handmade. If this is your first time here, my name is Kell, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a arch that you can use for weddings or baby showers or any other event that you guys have planned. It's super simple and easy to make, and if you're interested in knowing how to make it for yourself, just keep on watching. To make this wedding arch, I purchased 4 8-foot pieces of 1/2-inch copper and cut them down with these pipe cutters you can find at your local hardware store. If you want to make an arch similar to mine, cut down 4 12-inch pieces, 2 7-foot pieces, and 1 6-foot piece. I started assembling the legs by gluing these copper T-fittings to the 12-inch pieces on either side. I then glued on caps to the fittings so they wouldn't scratch the floors, and glued the 90-degree fitting to the ends of the legs. I also glued 2 90-degree fittings on either side of the 6-foot pipe off camera. After you're done with the legs, you're going to have something that looks like this. So you'll have 2 7-foot pieces, 2 legs, and 1 6-foot piece that I'll show you later on in the video. I attached 1 7-foot pipe to each of the legs, then attached the pipe and leg combo to each side of the 6-foot pipe. During this phase of the assembly process, I didn't glue anything since I wanted to easily take apart the arch and store it. I put on the sheer curtain and attached lights that I've secured with some zip ties, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more DIYs by me, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're actually notified when I post. If you're interested in seeing more pictures of this arch in action, don't forget to check out my blog post. I'll have it linked in the description box below for you guys. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.